Okay, let us check for the square wave output. Okay, so my dear friend, in today's technical session we are going to discuss about the function generator. Okay, so I've got this function generator which cost me around about 500 rupees, okay, which was assembled, and DIY kit you will get near about 350 rupees over here. So it is the best for those who are doing hobby kit activity, hobbyistic circuit activity over here. So it has got one ready-made kit over here which is pre-assembled. Okay, so you have got an user manual. So you can see it is a XR200206 function generator manual instruction is given over here. How to use it, the component which is used in it, okay, circuit diagram, and the step how to debug it. So it is working on 9 to 12 volt over here. The frequency range of this function generator is from 1 hertz to 1 megahertz over here. It can give the output of sine wave, triangular wave, and square wave, which can be finely adjusted over here. Okay, then let us see. Okay, okay, the very small function generator over here. Okay, so this is for fine, this is coarse, and this is for the amplitude over here. Okay, here it is the output for the square wave. I hope you can see this. There is an output here. You got output for a sine wave, triangular wave, square wave, and with respect to ground, power supply socket over here. The maximum voltage you can give for this, as I discussed, it is a 12 volt, not more than that. If you give the more voltage, more than 12 volt over here, so the output may get distorted as per the instruction set over here. So let us skip. Okay, they have given you the acrylic set for it. Okay, good. They have given the acrylic set which we have to assemble. Okay, this is bottom, this is top. Okay, everything they have given over here. Okay, great. Each and everything is present over here. Okay, let's start it assembling. So my dear friends, you can see that I have assembled all the kit over here with acrylic. It is a beautiful acrylic board over here. And I can see here they have given the range of frequency selector. So you got a different capacitor at inside, with the help of which you can select the different range of the frequency. Here you got two options of the jumper, either sine wave or triangular wave. Okay, and here you got three outputs over here: ground, square wave, and sine oblique triangular wave over here. This is for amplitude. Here we have got a fine tune and chorus, and power supply. So power supply you can give 9 to 12 volt. It is recommended that 9 to 12 volt. If it is more than 12 volt, the output will be not stable over here. So let us connect the wire first for the ground and Okay, so we have connected this. Let us turn on this function generator, and let us check the output on the CRO. Okay, this is, I'll connect ground to ground. Okay, connected ground to ground. Let us see the output. Here, this is the input to the function generator. Okay, so I've kept here this at a 65 to 1 megahertz over here, sine wave, amplitude and fine vary over here. Okay, so with this, we can just check whether we are getting a sine wave as the output. And yeah, so you can make auto set. Okay, so this is, so this is amplitude set over here, and if I adjust this, go to the channel 1. Okay, so this is the maximum which we can give over here. So this is channel 1. So you can see here I'm varying the frequency from kilohertz, so slowly. So this is the maximum frequency. See, you can observe it. Let me zoom it a little bit. So I've already connected over here. Output, we are finding you're observing. So you can see here the maximum frequency which we are getting. It is up to 1 megahertz over here. Okay, okay, let us check for the square wave output. Yes, so this is what we have got, a square wave output over here. Okay, let us say the triangular wave. If I change, so if I change this jumper from sine to triangular, you should get a triangular wave output. So my dear friend, overall this is a bit circuitry for a small application. So those who are doing a DIY experiment at home, and if you need a function generator, you can order this. The link of the link from where you can order this online, I will be giving in the description. So for more technical session like this, please my dear friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.